Alright, so the first victim has his eyes and mouth stitched together and his fingers missing. That's pretty much all I can see on the surface, so let's open him. Alright, so the ear canal has been destroyed. Let's take a look at his vital organs here. The heart seems to be jammed all the way up his throat. Let me take it out. The heart has been filled with stuffing. What the hell was that? Jesus Christ, are you okay? Hey, get away. Hey.
It hurts. Help me. I'm alive in here. Help me. I'm alive in here. Help me. I'm alive in here. I'm alive in here.